Okay, so before you do the think about it, I wanted to review some vocabulary with you. So here it says a student translated rectangle ABCD along vector RS. So we don't know what a vector is. A vector, and you want to write this in your notes, a vector, oops, is simply an arrow that tells which direction a figure is translated. We don't use vectors for rotations or reflections, just translations. So if I look at vector RS, it's actually going in two different directions, right? Because a vector going to the right would look like this. A vector going down looks like that. A vector going up looks like this. And a vector going to the left looks like that. So on your own, I want you to figure out which two directions is this vector going? And then when you do the think about it, be specific. So how far in each direction did the rectangle move? So try it out on your own. See if you're able to figure out how that rectangle was moved.